Welcome back to another video, guys. In this one we'll be unboxing the OnePlus watch. This is OnePlus's first attempt at a smartwatch. It did take me a while to get this one. It was been out of stock for a bit, and then when I did manage to get it ordered, it took a while to get delivered, so that's why I'm only unboxing it now. But yeah, we'll unbox it. This video will just be an unboxing, and I'll further down the line I'll do a review on it, see how the battery life holds up and stuff against like the other smartwatches that I have. Right, before we unbox it, let's get some of the specs out of the way. This one here is a midnight black. You can get a midnight silver, and later on apparently you can get a cobalt limited edition. It has a 1.39 AMOLED screen. The size is a 46 millimeter. It's pretty big, bigger than my Galaxy Watch Active 2. The battery in it is a 402 milliamp battery, which is much bigger than any of my other watches. So apparently you can get a battery life of about 14 days, they say. You've got the 2-pin charger in there. It's rated IP68 and has 4 gig of memory, but you can only use 2 gig of it to actually put music on. Alright, so let's get to unboxing. Okay, that's the top part of the box. There's your watch. So you got a tab here that you just lift up. That should lift that part of the box up. So in here it says accessories. I don't know what type of accessories will be in here. This is probably just paperwork. Yep, this is just the paperwork. You got your safety and warranty. Don't know if anyone actually reads these. Yeah, let's get started. To use the OnePlus Health app. It's all in different languages. I think just that here should be English. Yeah, it just tells you what's in the packing list. One watch, charging base, quick start guide, safety information, warranty card. So there's nothing in here, that's just holding the watch. And this is what you use to charge the watch. It's got a decent amount of length on it. And that's it for the box. Right, here's the watch itself. Got your rubber strap. It's telling you here, focus, it says at this main dial. There's a button there, and a button at the bottom here is a function key or power key. If you look closely, if you can focus, you'll see it says, you probably can't see it too tough. It says OnePlus. Right, we'll take this bit of plastic off. Right, that's the watch. Underneath is plastic. Oh, there's your points there to charge the watch itself. I mean, it looks even bigger Let's take the Galaxy Watch Active off. So you see it's even bigger than my slightly bigger. Let's cover the screen. Right, see it's slightly bigger than the Galaxy Watch Active 2. But it's not too big for my wrist. I mean, if you've got small wrist, it might be a bit big because they only do one size at the moment. So I'm guessing, is that the mic down there? Not too sure. That'll be a speaker here. I'm guessing the mic will be on this side here. Right, let's power it up. See if it's got any juice. Alright, it's in English. I'll get close as you guys can see. It's in download OnePlus Health app from Google Play. Let's do that quickly. Alright, we've downloaded the app, as you can see here. So we'll now add device. So let's pair it now. It's pairing. Right, so now it's paired. Yes, as you can see here, it says make phone calls, receive notifications. So you can make calls from this watch as well. So allow it. Receive notifications, allow. That's allowed. My preferred wrist, I'll use it. Watch is on my left wrist. So setting up watch. Right, all set up, it says. Continue. Application protection to ensure stable connection between your device and phone. With that, follow lock the health app. To prevent health app from being closed unexpectedly, so you lock it. Third-party security apps. Add health app to app allow list. And third-party security apps install on your phone. Allow background activity. Okay. So straight away we see this update. We'll update it now. See how long it takes. Oh, it didn't take that long. But it's going to take long to send it. So once it's done, I'll be back. Right, finally looks like it's been updated now. Took a long time. Okay, so let's see. OnePlus app. The watch faces, it says connected, got saying 5% charge. It says get reminder. So you'll see a reminder to get up and move around if you're wearing the device and no active movement is detected within 1 hour period from 9 AM to 9 PM. App protection, look at device settings. The steps, can unpair it or pause. Let's go to watch faces. So right now it looks like we've got 14 watch faces. I'll go to edit what happens. Okay. Let's leave it on as a current watch face. We'll leave on sport for now. Set as watch face. Alright, this is going to take some getting used to. I'm used to pressing this button here on my Samsung watches for back. Just activities, workout. So how do we go back? So your drop down screen, auto brightness, find my phone. Torch, these settings, Bluetooth headset display, got a bunch of settings. As you can see, I'm not actually used to this right now, but like I said, this is just an unboxing, so I'm going to do another video, a review on it, to go through all the options, see how the battery lasts compared to like my Active 2. I get about maximum 2.5 to 3 days out of this one, maximum. But this one's saying 14 days, so we'll see. But yeah, I'll do another video, go through all the settings and everything, and show you guys obviously how the watch itself works. Like I said, this is just a unboxing video, so we'll leave it here. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.